In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with Google AdSense. Here's how AdSense pays. You earn from ad views, known as CPM, and from ad clicks, called CPC. Earnings depend on your traffic volume, where visitors are from. Countries like the United States, the United Kingdom, and Canada often pay more, plus your niche, ad placement, and the quality of your content. Choose a niche with strong advertiser demand. Finance topics such as insurance, loans and credit cards, technology and software, online business and marketing, education and careers, and informational health content typically offer higher rates. Avoid thin entertainment, piracy or download content, and chasing only viral news. Pick your platform. A website or blog gives the most control and scalability, while YouTube can bring faster traffic with less control over RPM. For a consistent $100 a day, a website is usually the better long-term path. Building the site can be low cost. Start with a free blogger site or go with WordPress and hosting for maximum flexibility. Use a mobile-friendly theme, keep it fast, and keep the layout clean. Before applying to AdSense, publish the required pages, privacy policy, about, and contact. Missing any of these is a common reason for rejection. Create content that matches search intent. Focus on how-to guides, tutorials, comparisons, reviews, and problem-solving articles. Aim for 800 to 1,500 words. Keep it original and structure with clear headings for easy scanning. When ready, apply for AdSense. Place the ad code on your site, request a review, and wait a few days to 2 weeks. If you're rejected, fix the issues and reapply. Now drive free traffic. For websites, prioritize Google SEO and supplement with Pinterest, Quora, and relevant Facebook groups. For YouTube, use YouTube SEO, shorts, and consistent uploads. If your goal is $100 a day, make SEO your focus. Optimize placements. One ad above the fold, some within content, after headings, and before the footer. Auto ads are great for beginners. Move to manual placement once you're comfortable. Never click your own ads. Boost RPM to reach your target. If your RPM is $10, you'll need about 10,000 page views per day to earn $100. Lift RPM by targeting buyer intent keywords, attracting tier 1 traffic, improving speed and content quality, and reducing bounce rate. Finally, scale. Publish 50 to 150 quality articles. Target low competition keywords, update older posts, and interlink your pages. One strong article can earn for years. And don't rely on AdSense alone. Add affiliate marketing, digital products, and email marketing to diversify and potentially multiply your revenue. Follow these steps consistently to build dependable AdSense income.